Scientist and teacher Rick Crosslin's here. Yeah. Experiments on the center of mass.
Center of mass,
and gravity. Some of my favorite subjects as a master gardener in science.
Well, every object has a center of mass or center of gravity, and every system does also, including our planets. People like Aristotle, Galileo, and my favorite, Newton, worked a lot on these things.
That's your favorite, huh, Newton? I didn't know that.
Isaac Newton. I went to his house. I actually picked an apple out of his garden.
No, you did not.
I just wanted to show them that DNA.
Oh, that would be cool, though.
I'll probably get arrested when I go back to England. So this is... this may look like I'm very talented, but if I know if I can put something under the center of mass, that I can keep it balanced. So that's a good one. You can try that. Just hold it. But
that's a feather?
That's a feather.
I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, I can do it.
That's an ostrich feather. But I want to do this one first because this is a system I made. You can do this at home. And so you see it's balanced. And the center of mass is right on the rim of the coffee cup. But what's going to happen? This is dangerous. I can't blow it up, but...
Of course, live TV. Of course, live TV.
But I'm back up.
Get it, get it. Right, okay, so the center of mass is at the touch point of the matchstick.
Yeah.
It's centered there, and that's what's balancing it. I get it.
So...
Okay, so I presume they're going to fall.
That way, I'm guessing, right?
Yeah, well, actually, there's two things going on right now. The center of mass is not changing. But as you know, a fire needs three things: oxygen, fuel, and temperature. So when it gets to the edge of that cup is going to conduct away the heat and boom.
Shut up.
There it goes. If you do that at home, make sure your parents are with you. So this is something you can make with a coat hanger, and it's a center of mass, but it's like this falls over because the center of mass is way down here. But if you move these down, like here and here...
They've got to be equal length on both sides.
Yes, because somewhere down here is the center of mass now.
Oh, I see. Yeah. The balance of it, so it puts the center of mass down here.
Down here, and so it's much easier to balance.
Yeah, fascinating. Yeah, you can.
There you go. Oh, look at that.
And look, I got my magic pencil right here, Randy.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's perfectly balancing by itself.
Okay.
And reason.
So you didn't jam that in there, huh?
No, I did not. But if you look, pick up that whole system. And
pick it up?
Yeah, just pick the pencil up. The pencil by itself. Go ahead and move it up. Show what's going on.
Seems heavy.
Well, look what I. So
that's why it's heavy. Okay, I see that.
Oh, I see. It's the counterbalance to its force, down force.
And the center of mass is right under.
Hey, this is good stuff to do during the snow tomorrow with your kiddos.
You can, and these are some fun ones, like this guy right. Do you know, this may be a shock to you, but men and women are different, Randy?
What? I know, amazing.
So our center of mass is about up here, and a woman's center of mass is a little bit lower. So there's things they can do and get up on from chairs.
Well, I'm not commenting on this one.
I was going to say it's in our hips.
It's not a...
I didn't say that.
So here's something for you, Carrie. Here is a can. The center of mass of this can is right here because it's filled. And the center of mass of this can is not there. So you think you could balance that one by, like I balanced those
on its edge?
Yeah, like I see those two right there. And
well, if I dent it real good, I could.
1, 2, 3, and let go. And see. No, you can't.
Yeah, see, look, I'm doing it.
Yeah, let go. You won't let go.
It won't do it.
The reason these do it is because I put a little bit of water in these, and I lower the center of mass.
So cool.
So there's a lot of cool things to do. This is one. You guys do me a favor here. Take this and take this. And
1 minute here, Rick. 1 minute.
I got 1 minute 12 seconds. But okay. So can you balance this on your finger? 1, 2, 3, and
no.
But take yourself a little craft stick. And a couple of one of these pipe cleaners, and now...
Oh, come on now. I'm going to need to learn more about this.
So
this
you can
is
do
fascinating
this at home with
to
kids.
me.
I was going to put a Santa head on this, but you can make a whole bunch of these, put them on the cabinet, because I've lowered the center of mass to the very bottom right here. And so there's a lot of things to do. My favorite, remember I told you Isaac Newton, right?
Oh, yeah. Your buddy, yep, okay.
I'm thinking about selling these, promoting these. This is my Isaac Newton earrings. And so... they work perfectly, and we could talk about inertia and mass. And
hey, I got a question for you. I mean, since you said that men and women are different, could she do that on the top of her head, Carrie?
Yes.
Oh my God!
I'm just making sure.
This is great for kids.
Yeah.
Oh, see, now that's pure talent right there.
Carrie, on the count of 3, spin around. 1, 2, 3. Yes, do it quickly.
What's that show, The Flying Nun?
Oh my gosh, that is so much fun. I can't even believe it sits still like that.
Mass
this is great
and
for
inertia.
kids.
Yeah. These are like $9.95.
Science
just
with
give me a
Carrie
call.
Petty.
Yeah.
Time's up.
Hey, you have a channel or something here?
Rick Crosslin Science on YouTube.
Okay, so on YouTube there. Okay.
George, I love that. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You got everything in with, you had your sample.
I know, I can't believe it. I had 3 more things I could have brought.
I know. You have to come back for sure.
Thanks.
Thanks so much.